Well, first, we're going to start with Brian Merrick. Brian, let's start with you. Let's give us a state of state. You've been there at Department of Justice, I think about 2.5 years, if I recall.
Yep.
Did a lot of great things over at state, brought a lot of those concepts over to justice. I know you're on a tear over there. Give us a top line about how things are going.
Yeah, no, definitely. Thanks. First off, just appreciate the opportunity to talk with everyone. And yeah, definitely. As you can imagine, our mission space is complex. A lot of moving parts, a lot of modernization to do. So, in my role, we really have that intersection of a lot of programmatic and enterprise activities. So, tried to leverage some of the cloud pieces and parts that I picked up working at state and apply that shared responsibility model here. So we have made a lot of progress over the last couple of years. Actually stood up multiple cloud platforms with that shared model. Each time we do that, it avoids about average of $2 million in costs for O&M of managing those underlying platforms, but it still allows our mission partners to manage their workload so they can have their direct relationships with their customers, manage their data, but then we take care of a large proportion of those management controls, security controls, sort of the underlayment, if you will, data connections, et cetera. So they can get into work a lot faster. So far to date, we've got 10 components with workloads running in those environments. Everything from law enforcement training systems and data visualization platforms, down to we even migrated our department financial system, as well as our personnel security system onto that platform. So it's given us some incredible cost savings and cost avoidance for new activities as well. It's also given us a great platform when we need to jump into doing custom applications to support larger programmatic activities across the interagency, especially anything that impacts the public. So it really gives us a lot more capability and capacity. We're running those things, sometimes serverless, which is great, and also being able to automate a lot of the underlying processes. So we're trying to now, extend that out through other legacy pieces. And as budget's available, we're working through that by priority. So definitely a lot of good work so far with the team, and still a lot of work to do.